Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing the Boxycharm February premium box, and then we are giving away one of the items in here. I don't even know which one yet, and so we will figure it out together. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know, and make sure that you are subscribed. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the Hip Dot C Note palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter that one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. All that information is in the description box. Set this down for a second. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. I got this in my base box, and I'm mainly working kind of, here with these orange type of shades. So like I said, this is the premium box. It does ship out for $35 a month, and there are 6 full-size items in here. I have really been going like this with the premium lately and not finding a whole lot that I loved. So I'm really on the fence as to whether or not to keep the premium. I will probably, more than likely keep the base. I love their add-ons. You guys won't believe what I got in their add-ons. And I wish that they would have shown everything up front, but some of the add-ons they saved to the second day, and I just happened to be on Instagram where Joe posted, hey, these are some of the add-ons that were posted today, and I went, and I jumped right on that. So I will definitely be letting you guys know. I'm thinking about doing some, they're mainly eyeshadow palettes, but thinking about doing some looks for those when those come in. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you're interested in signing up for them. It'll save you some money, and it helps me out when I want to purchase things in the future from them. So let's find out what's in here and find out what we're giving away. So like I said, this is the premium box. It does say premium there. It does with a cute little heart for Valentine's Day. It says XOXO on the card here. I have version number C21023338-PM. I'm assuming the PM stands for premium. Other than that, I don't know what the rest of that means. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. And I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. We are such a fun group here. And that way you are notified of when I have future giveaways. So make sure that you are subscribed. So the first product in here, ooh, I was hoping I was going to get this one. It is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsession eyeshadow palette. Create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigmented powder palettes, capturing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high shine metallics, and next generation shimmer swirls. Retails for $29. I do have a couple of her other Obsessions palettes. I think like the warm browns, and then the purple and the blue and the green one. Let me grab those really quick. Yeah, so here is their warm browns. Here is the emerald one. I wish that there were more kind of like emerald green shades in here, because they're just kind of like grungy tones. Here is the sapphire. This one's really pretty. And here's the amethyst, and I think the amethyst would pair really good with the lilac. So here is the amethyst one that I do already own. And then here is the inside of the lilac. This marble shade down here looks super, super cool. So don't blind you guys. So let's do some fun swatches. This center shimmer is just calling my name. Let's do that pink and let's do the marble. So I did kind of these three right in here. Let's grab that peach shimmer too. So they're pretty, they are just very, very light, where they almost make like a good topper, maybe over some of these amethyst shades that are a little deeper. I don't know how, if you're a deeper skin tone, if you're going to be able to use these, because unless you use them as a topper, because they are just, I mean, I can't even hardly get away with just using that. I mean, they are just so, so light. The next item in here is from Pure. It is their Submerge Overnight Detox Anti-Aging Pollution Moisturizer. Deeply nourish and help purify your skin with an overnight detox and anti-pollution moisturizer that dramatically helps reduce the appearance of dry skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and intensify hydration and anti-pollution technology. Does retail for $34. Has kind of a really cool packaging with it. And then it kind of looks like this charcoal gray, which I've never seen a moisturizer like that before. It's kind of interesting. So definitely love overnight moisturizers, so looking forward to this one. This one has me intrigued. So this is from Love Script. And it's a décolletage neck cream leave-on mask. This decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelope the delicate skin of your décolletage neck to reveal a velvety, soft texture and restore its youthful contour and tone. Formulated with nutrient-rich protein prebiotic complex, restorative extracts of white truffle and black currant bud. It is a luxurious blend of shea and cocoa butter and heavenly essential oils. This mask makes a delicious nightly treatment cream, retails for $58. It sounded really cool until they talked about putting essential oils in, because I don't like a lot of fragrance in my skincare. Here's what the packaging looks like. I mean, it has a slight skincare type smell, but it's nothing overly done. And I can see, I mean, you probably can't tell here because I'm rubbing it in, but where it would feel really good on the neck and décolletage. And don't forget about those areas, ladies. For me, when I notice people, it's almost on their décolletage. And I call it the little triangle because it kind of looks like a triangle right here on people. And that's where I can notice the first signs of aging, even on myself. This is heavy. So this is from Autolecte. It's a Blue Aura cleansing water, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying erudite herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. Specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. So basically, it's basically like a micellar water. You can use this as part of a two-step. if you use this as your first step, go in, break up all the makeup, and then go in with your second cleanser afterwards. Or I do really, since I do in the evenings, do a two-step, my skin is super clean. And then in the mornings, then I'll go in, maybe just either rinse my face or use like a micellar water. And I love using it on reusable rounds, so that way there's no extra waste for the environment. From Tarte, I think we have gotten this before, is their Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size, made just for charmers, and is not in for retail sales. Does retail for $24. So here is your one end. And I just did the line right there. And then here is your other end. Ooh, definitely like that end better than the other one. But I can see where that first one would be probably be better for your waterline. Secret word, Boxycharm. So the last product in here is from Alamar Cosmetics. It is their Pedro Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's a water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. That's kind of cool that you can customize your own shade with it. I do always wear a eyeshadow primer when I'm doing my eyeshadows. It just makes the eyeshadows pop more. This does retail for $15. So I've given the liners here a chance to dry, and they're not budging. So that's good. So your total of the box was $199. You paid $35 for it. Did I get $35 worth of value in here? I do really kind of like this thing, and I'm really happy about the moisturizer, probably the moisturizer and the Love Script for your neck and one for your face. I think I'm all about moisturizing. I was a little disappointed with the Pastel Lilac. It just wasn't very pigmented. Always great to have a new liner. Micellar water, take or leave this one. So I think it was worth it, but barely, yeah. Anyway, so I think what we're going to give away is eyeshadow primer because I have a ton of them. And I'm not one who has a huge makeup collection by far. So this I am super happy to give to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. And on it, put your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, this person is subscribed. And then also put on it what the secret word is. Let's have this giveaway go through March 14th, and then on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, we will go ahead and probably do that spin the wheel, because you guys like that, where I put in the names of all the entries, and then I also put in there if they have bonus entries, and then it spins the wheel. You can see it's obviously totally random. How do you get bonus entries is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. And I want to thank all of you guys for watching the videos, because it's the watch time minutes that I'm behind on. So I just want to thank you guys all for helping me out with that. I have seen the numbers slowly growing. They're not obviously at the monetization level yet, but they're headed in the right direction, which is what we want. This is open internationally, although I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Giveaways do need to be valid in your country. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. It's just me giving back to you, and you must be 18 years or older in order to enter or have your parents' permission. Do not put the secret word in the comments down below or your entry will be deleted. We just want to make it fair for everyone. So, I mean, it was a okay box. It wasn't my favorite by far. It wasn't the worst by far. I think I liked the premium better than I did my base. If you haven't checked out my base unboxing, go take a look at that. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate if you were to check them out. Like I said, join us if you haven't subscribed yet. We're such a fun group here. Make sure your notifications are set to all. And if you are on a mobile device, you need to go into your settings and mark those as all as well. That way you know when we upload. That way you know when there is giveaways. And I do them all the time here. In the description box down below are a bunch of my giveaways. So I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Let me know how your weekend was. Let me know how your Valentine's Day was. Have a beautiful day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.